Okay, if you want to add sound to a PowerPoint presentation, you've broadly got two ways of doing it. You can record your own voice or your own sound, or you can nick someone else's. Firstly then, record your own. It has several advantages. It's quick and easy to do. You can say exactly what you want to say. However, disadvantages that you might be affected by background noise and you don't have access to interesting professionally recorded sound effects. To record your own, this is how you do it. On the PowerPoint menu, insert audio, record audio, and you get this sound box. You get this record box, and it's fairly straightforward from there. The second way, therefore, is to nick someone else's. It has the advantages that you have access to interesting sound effects and professionally recorded sound effects, so they're free of interference and they sound good quality. However, you may not be able to find exactly what you're looking for free and copyright free. And that's the point here. It may be difficult to download good clips that you don't have to pay for, and I'm looking for free ones. One way is to use the built-in sounds in PowerPoint. For example, you could do this on a transition and add a sound effect. So, for example, let's do it in this presentation that I'm working on. I'm going to have a man laughing for some reason when this slide transition occurs. In other words, when this slide comes on. Let's see what happens. Right, that's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for the sound of a dog, really, to go with what I'm presenting on. But unfortunately, there is no dog here. So I'm going to go onto the internet. Findsounds.com, I recommend. Great site for free sound effects. And you can search in your regular search engine. Find sounds, it's the top hit here, and I'm going to type in what I'm looking for, in this case dog, or you might try bark for example. To play the sounds, and you can see the audio waveform here, you can see this is going to be a couple of sounds, then a gap. Let's see what that sounds like. I'm going to click on the triangle. Okay. I'm going to go back in my browser, send, and I want maybe something shorter, not 8.4 seconds. Let's try, not that one, maybe this one which has 2, 3 kind of sounds here. Number 3. Too fierce, I think. Let's see what number 2 has to offer. Simple bark. That will do. Now, the one I want was number 2. This time I'm going to control click, so that would be a right click on a 2-button mouse. I've only got a 1-button mouse. Control click on the triangle, and I'm going to download the linked file as. The as allows me to change what its name is and where it is saved. So I always keep the extension. I know this is a .wav file, and I could have this dog bark. I have another dog bark, perhaps I could call this dog bark 2. I'm going to save it on my desktop. It's easy to find there, and save. Now I can get rid of this for the meantime. I can go back to my presentation that I'm working on. There it is, it's saved up here on my desktop. And simply, in this version of PowerPoint, I can drag it onto the slide. The plus symbol there, suggesting that I'm copying it. Now, I got this speaker symbol, and when I play my presentation, I need to get rid of the man laughing, really, I can play this sound. But I don't want to click for sound. I want it to happen automatically. So before I do anything else, I'm going to get rid of the man laughing, and this I'm going to get off the screen. I'm going to get the speaker symbol off the screen so you can't see it, and I'm going to add an animation to it. An emphasis effect to play, and I'm going to go into the options. So this is the media WAV file there. I'm going to change the timing. That's what I want. I want to change the timing so it doesn't happen on click. It does in fact happen after the previous thing that happens. after the last animation. So let me just see what's happening there. It's waiting for the pictures to come in, and then it's happening. If, however, I made it with previous, here in timing, it would come in with those other animations at the same time, like this. So that is how I got a sound from findsounds.com, control click, and I download the link file. Hope that works for you.